Okay, once you get to the site, click on sign up, go to the top, click on get and give help, and then click continue. Where it says promo code, put in early bird 23 in all caps. Click add promotion. It's going to change the price to $249. Click on next page, type in your info, type in your name, birthday, your phone number. Where it says tax ID, put in your social security number, or if you're doing a business, type in your tax ID number or EIN. If you're doing personal, leave it SSN. Preferred language, mine is English. Whatever you put for your website, that's going to be your link. So it's going to be debtcleanse.com/ whatever you put. I'm putting LeBron James 23. So when I send people my link, that's what I send them. Put in your email, type in your password, type it in again, next page. Okay, so right here, this is really important. If you don't follow my instructions, you're gonna get errors. There's 9 agreements, 7 visible, and then there's 2 buttons at the bottom that you got to click. If you don't do the same for each one, it's not gonna let you pass. For each one of these agreements, check the box, sign your name, take this little bar right here and scroll all the way to the bottom of each one. So we're about to do that for each one of these. Check the box, put my name, scroll, check the box, put my name, scroll, check the box, put my name, scroll, check the box, put your name, scroll to the bottom, check the box, put your name, scroll to the bottom, check the box, put your name, scroll to the bottom. Now this one is a little tricky because they don't give you a bar, but you're gonna have to check the box, put your name, click in the middle and scroll, and then click on member agreement, check the box, put your name, scroll to the bottom. Pencil agreement, check the box, put your name, scroll to the bottom. Put your credit card information in here. If it's the same address as your billing, check that box. Street address. Verify your address. Click continue.